Mathematics, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Determination. Exercise number 1.6, question number 1. Test the consistency and if possible, solve the following system of equations by rank method. First question. First you take it and write it in the matrix in the Ax equal to B form. Then argument matrix A comma B you write. Next you applying the Gaussian elimination method on A and B, we get row 2 change to row minus 2 row 1, row 3 minus 4 row 1. Next row 3 change to row 3 minus row 2. Next the above equation in the epsilon form also minor of A comma B and minor of A equal to 3. The number of unknown, the system of equation is consistent with a unique solution. To find the solution, now writing the equivalent equation, we get second equation you get y value is 1. Simplifying third equation, z value is 1. Then you substitute z y value in the first equation, you get both the x value also 1. So that x value equal to 1, y value equal to 1, z value equal to 1. Second sum, write it in the matrix form Ax equal to B. Then you write the argument matrix A comma B. You interchange the row 1 to row 2. Next row 2 modified, row 2 minus 3 row 1 and row 3 minus 7 row 1. Next row 3 minus 2 row 2. The above matrix is an epsilon form. Also minor of A comma B, minor of A equal to 2, less than number of unknowns. The system of equation is consistent with the infinite number of solution. Now write it in the equivalent equation, we get. After that write it in the equation form. Two equation, third is z equal to k. Then 10y minus 5k equal to minus 1. Y equal to 5k minus 1 by 10. Next taking z equal to k, y equal to 5k minus 1 by 10 in first. Then you get x equal to 1 plus 3, 5k minus 1 by 10 minus 2k. Next x equal to 10 plus 15k minus 3 minus 20k by 100. Next x equal to 7 minus 5k by 10. Then x value is 7 minus 5k, y equal to 5k minus 1 by 10, z equal to k, where k belongs to R. Next question. You take it and write it in the matrix equation form Ax equal to B. Row 1 interchange to row 2. Then row 2 minus 2 row 1, row 3 minus 3 row 1. Then row 3 minus row 2. The above matrix is in the epsilon form. Hence, minor of A comma B equal to 3, minor of A equal to 2. So, minor of A comma B not equal to minor of A. The system of equation is inconsistent with no solution. Fourth question. You take it and write it in the matrix form Ax equal to B. Then argument matrix row 2 change to row 2 minus 3 row 1, row 3 minus 2 row 1. Then above matrix is in echelon form. Also minor of A comma B, P minor of A equal to 1 less than number of unknown. The system of equation is consistent with the infinite number of solutions. To find the solution, now writing the equivalent equation, we get 2x minus y plus z equal to 0. So, z equal to t, y equal to s. You substitute 2x equal to 2 plus s minus t. Then x value is 1 by 2, 2 plus s minus t. So, the solution is x equal to 1 by 2, 2 plus s minus t, y equal to s, z equal to t. S comma t belongs to R. Second question, find the value of k for which the equation kx minus 2y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2ky plus z equal to minus 2, x minus 2y plus kz equal to 1 have no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution. First you write it in the matrix form of given system of equations is Ax equal to B. Then argument matrix A comma B is, first you interchange the row 1 to row 2. Then row 2 minus k row 1, row 3 minus row 1. Then you find out this, you get this. After that row 3 k plus 1, row 3 minus row 2. After k square minus k minus 2 equal to k plus 2, k minus 2, k minus 1. The above matrix is in epsilon form. Case 1, when k equal to 1, minor of a comma b equal to 3, minor of a equal to 2. That is minor of a comma b not equal to minor of a. So, the system is inconsistent and the system has no solution. Case 2. When k not equal to 1, k not equal to minus 2, then minor of a comma b equal to minor of a equal to 3 equal to number of unknown. The system is consistent with unique solution. Case 3. When k equal to minus 2, then minor of a equal to minor of a comma b equal to 2 less than number of unknowns. The system is consistent with the infinite number of solutions. Third question, investigate the value of lambda and mu, the system of linear equations. No solution, a unique solution, an infinite number of solution. Solution, the matrix form of the above equation is Ax equal to B, argument matrix A comma B. You change the row 2 row 2 minus 7 row 1, row 3 equal to row 3 minus row 1. The above matrix is in the epsilon form. Case 1, when lambda equal to 5, mu not equal to 9, minor of a equal to 2, minor of a comma b equal to 3, that is minor of a comma b not equal to minor of a. The system is inconsistent and it has no solution. Case 2, when lambda not equal to 5, mu belongs to R, minor of a comma b equal to minor of a equal to 3 equal to number of unknowns. The system is consistent with a unique solution. Case 3, when lambda equal to 5, mu equal to 9, then minor of a comma b equal to minor of a equal to 2 less than number of unknowns. The system is consistent with infinite number of solution. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.